How do we find beauty in diversity?
By being non-judgmental, by dropping all judgments, by not being critical. Be critical only to find solutions to a problem. It shouldn't be a natural inclination to be critical about things, to be judgmental about things. Diversity is a challenge. Diversity is teaching you to be tolerant. And it's teaching you to be non-judgmental. One should not judge things or people, but most importantly, one should not judge themselves. It hardens the ego. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to live all your life in mistakes. Don't punish yourself by judging yourself. If all your life you make mistakes, there is no one really in the cosmos who is counting them. No one. As long as you are truthful and honest, no one is counting your mistakes. And as far as bad deeds are concerned, you know that you have a forgiving God. He forgives everything. If you have that attitude towards yourself and towards your family, you will see beauty everywhere. Your own children are a diversity. How much beauty is in them? So don't be too hard on yourself. Have a forgiving attitude at the foremost in your personality. Forgiving hearts don't judge.